Here at Casden, we believe that the only people's opinions that really matter are children's. So here is Matthew and Ella, Anya and Oakley, and Aiko and Jude to tell you about the Dyson.
It looks like a proper Dyson.
It looks really real.
It spins around.
If you press the button, it makes a noise. It sucks up all of the things down. If you press that red button, it opens the little door, the circle door, and all of the stuff comes out. I love it. And you can also do the cobwebs.
So, there you have it, the Dyson cord-free vacuum cleaner from Casden.
It sucks up stuff.
Real life fun and play.
Smith's Toy Superstores. If I were a toy.